VA loan fraud, essential tips to safeguard your future. Are you a veteran or an active duty service member considering a VA loan? Protecting yourself from fraud is essential to safeguard your future. Here are some crucial tips to keep in mind. First, do your research and work only with reputable lenders and mortgage companies. Be cautious of unsolicited phone calls and emails offering too good to be true rates or deals. I can tell you from working at other companies, most of their security is quite poor. A lot of them, and these will remain unnamed, but they claimed to be a digital mortgage company, the first digital mortgage company, and they told me to collect all my personal documents to upload to email and then upload them in the system. And I said, well, I can put them into this portal you have. It's like a Dropbox knockoff, and I can give them the links. They said, my boss goes, yeah, nobody uses that. They recruited me based on this technology. So that's an example of a company that looks secure, but is not. So if they're asking you to email personal information, here at Texas Home Loans, I can tell you, I do the IT security here, and I hire other people, but I've got my hands in it. We do not collect any personal information, emails, otherwise, because we collect that with a secure document upload. That's the only way to keep you secure. Of course, if there was somebody who's a super hacker or whatever, he could come in and get our stuff. But you don't want to be the low-hanging fruit. You want to make that hard enough. There's plenty of other people. Next, regularly monitor your credit report. We actually have a service for you. If you want to, we can monitor your credit report and it'll tell you if there's any hits. And it'll also email you and tell you when there's a hit on your account. So that way you know. Otherwise, you might not know unless you have got these reporting stuff on your phone. But some of those are not that reliable. This is an actual monitor of all three bureaus. So let us know if you want us to do that. If you get any suspicious activity, you report to the credit bureaus. Get a hold of me. I can tell you how to do it. Sometimes they're good to work with. Sometimes they're not. You want to talk to the credit bureaus and the Federal Trade Commission. Additionally, you want to seek a trusted financial advisor on for a VA loan. This could be a kind of a daunting process. You want to be educated on your rights and help make their informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power. We'll give you knowledge. A lot of lenders, what they want to do is corral you, hit your credit, and control you. We want to earn your business, give you lower rates, better terms, faster turn times, more knowledge. This is how I think, and this is how I treat my people. I treat people how I want to be treated. Lastly, I want to give a shout out to Black Rifle, local Bernie, Texas company, now serving lunch. Gotten the sandwiches a couple times, the wraps. Appreciate that. And we hope you appreciate the fact that we are giving veterans a fair shake. We're now making more money on veterans compared to the normal financial industry. Normal financial industries, on average, make about 3 times more on a veteran loan as opposed to a conventional loan. And that results in higher payments. That results in hundreds of thousands of dollars overpayments over the life of the loan. Only because that VA insurance should have lowered the rate, but instead they move it up and nobody knows because they're all making money on it, except for us. We're going to show you. We're pulling back the curtain. We're exposing the fraud. We're exposing the corruption. If you Google overcharging veterans, the list is long and distinguished, to quote Top Gun. So speaking of planes, I hope you like my A-10 here. My buddy flies the A-10 Air National Guard. Everybody loves the A-10. Well, some people, on the receiving end of it, they don't like it. Anybody here, they love it. It seems like I had to put something military up, and I thought this is the best thing because everybody loves them. So safeguard your future regarding VA loan fraud. Stay vigilant. Ask us about our security process. You're going to be impressed. Most people are not as technically minded in the mortgage industry. They're like cool guy. They golf a lot, and they're, I don't know, they drink Red Bull and vodkas and have popped up collars. That's cool, but if you don't protect the client's security and you can do all that stuff and drive your used 3 Series BMW and have gel in your hair, that's cool. You go be you. That's not me. I worry about technical stuff. I worry about security. I received some documents the other day. I deleted them, quarantined the email, told the person you need to upload those securely, and then we'll be good to go. So that's how serious we are. Other people don't do that. I hope you take that to heart because we're protecting you and protecting your future. We don't want to be involved in a credit fraud case. You guys have a good day, and thank you for your service.